Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, we already started chapter 4 from our students' book, and the name of the chapter 4 is Children of the Digital Age. This is our second video. Okay, so let's start. Scholars, what we did in previous video, let's recall. What happened in the story? In starting, one train chugged in at the platform and Granny got down and hugged the two children, and the name of that two children were Sonal and Kunal. Okay, grandchildren of the Granny. Granny asked sorry because she thought that children were waiting on the platform since 3 hours because Granny's train arrived late at the platform. So she thought that she came late because of train, so she was asking sorry from her grandchildren. But children told her that they reached the platform just 2 minutes ago because Kunal has been tracking the train online on his mobile phone. So they informed their granny that they came on the platform just before 2 minutes because they were able to track her train. They were able to track granny's train online on their mobile, so they knew about the timings. By hearing this, Granny was so happy and eager to learn about internet. After a short conversation, they thought to move towards their house, and for which Kunal booked a cab on his mobile phone. Till here we finished a story in our first video. So let's start. Let's move towards rest part of the story. Okay, this picture is of one smartphone. Okay, this picture is of one smartphone which Kunal and Sonal were using. Okay, what Granny said, you know all these details about the cab on your mobile phone, but what if he mislead us with a wrong route or takes a long route to earn extra money? The first time I came to Delhi with your grandfather almost 50 years ago, we took a horse carriage from the railway station to go to a relative's place and did not find the address for 2 hours. The driver of the carriage fleeced us. I was so afraid in such big city. Okay, who said this? These all things are said by Granny. What she said, that how you could know about the details of this cab driver. Then they told Sonal and Kunal. Before their answer, Granny was so afraid and she was so worried about cab driver. So she asked that what happen if this cab driver will mislead us, or if he will take a long route to earn some extra money. Then she said that first time 50 years ago, first time she came to Delhi with their grandfather, and at that time they booked a horse carriage from the railway station to go to their relatives place. But what happened, the horse carriage man, he fleeced them. He fleeced them means he cheated them. He took a long route, and for 2 hours they were searching the correct address, and he asked too much money because for 2 hours they were on horse carriage. So that horse carriage man pleased us means he cheated them. He cheated Granny and grandfather. So because of that incident, Granny was so afraid, and she so afraid in such big cities, means in that type of cities she is getting, she cannot trust on anyone because we don't know that who can cheat us, right? So because of that she was so worried, she was so afraid. But what Kunal said, Granny, Granny, don't worry. I have the location on my mobile phone. I just checked the shortest route to go home, avoiding most of the rush hour traffic congestion. The app on my mobile phone through GPS does this, so we save time, fuel, and money. And surely we won't get lost at all, winked Kunal with Sonal winking back. Okay, then Kunal, what he said that Granny, you just don't worry because there is one mode on my mobile, that is location on mode, and that mode is working through GPS. What is GPS, scholars? Full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. Okay, full form of GPS. What is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. Okay, he said that I switched on GPS, and because of that there is one mode which is on my mobile, that is location mode, and due to that mode I can see the shortest route and I will select that route only. And due to that shortest route, we can save time, we can save fuel, and we can save money, and we will and cab driver cannot mislead us because we can check out the correct route with the help of this location on mode. Then what Granny said, oh, you mean your phone knows your exact location on this earth? Then Granny was so eager that how Kunal and Sonal are talking about each and everything, how they know whether what they are saying. She was not knowing about internet. That's why she was so shocked that how your phone knows your exact location. Then what they said, what Kunal said, of course, Granny, I just shared all the details with Dad. So, Dad, Mom, and Grandpa know exactly what time will reach, and they will be ready with breakfast, said Kunal. Then Kunal said, yes, Granny, uh, my mobile knows my exact location, and I shared my present location with mom, dad, so they also know that at what time we will reach home, so at the same time they will be ready with breakfast. All this information Kunal and Sonal were getting from their mobile, and they were telling to their Granny, because Granny was not knowing about the internet. So she was, by knowing this information, she was okay. What is this picture, scholars? This picture is of one smartphone. We can do so many things with our smartphones, right? Yes, of course, these smartphones have made things quite easy. When your dad was a little boy, I used to get so worried if he got late at school or while playing football in the evenings. Once, I almost lodged a police complaint for a missing child when he came in the nick of time, saying he had lost track of time. He was celebrating a football match victory with friends. There were no mobile phones at that time to contact anyone, and no location details to keep track of him. Okay, then Granny went on flashback stories. What she said that yes, of course, these smartphones made so many things our life quite easy, right? Smartphones made our life quite easy. Yes, it is true. And she was thinking about her previous days, that when Sonal and Kunal's dad, when he was a little boy, then she used to worry because whenever he was coming late from school, or after playing football, or after playing anything in the evening time, whenever he was coming late, then Granny becomes worried about him. So once what happened, she lodged a police complaint also for her son, for Kunal and Sonal's father, because she thought that he was not coming on time, and she thought that her son was missed. So she went to police station and she lodged a police complaint for a missing child. Okay, why she was too much worried at that time? Because there was no mobile phones, she was not able to locate his exact place, and she was not able to get details of her son, because at that time there was no mobile phones. And today at present time we have mobile phones which made our life quite easy. Hey, Kunal does the same thing. Granny, he is always losing track of time. Except Dad keeps a tab on his movements through the smartphone, giggled Sonal. And Sonal was laughing and saying that yes, the same thing who is doing? Kunal is doing. What same thing? That he is also always losing track of time, but we have this smartphones, so dad can keep eyes on him, and he can tap his movements with the help of a smartphone. Sonal giggled means she was laughing and making fun over Kunal. Okay, it's the same for you, Sonal, said Kunal, that between them. Okay, no fights. Listen, children, it is your parents' anniversary the day after to buy gifts for tomorrow. You have to take me shopping in the afternoon. I have to buy gifts for them. I also want to make their favorite laddus and bake a cake. So we will need to buy all the raw ingredients, but I want to keep it a surprise and there is hardly any time left. Okay, then next what Granny's plan? Next day, Kunal and Sonal's parents' marriage anniversary will be there. So Granny thought to make one surprise, and she thought to bake a cake. She thought to make laddus for their anniversaries, but she need raw ingredients for to make all that things. So she was asking them that you have to help me, you have to take me for shopping. Okay, then what they said, Kunal and Sonal, cool Granny, we can do all the shopping sitting at home online. Everything will get delivered at home, the groceries in a few hours by the time you have rested, and you will be able to select the gifts in a day. See, here are some apps on my mobile phone. They have everything under the sun for you to shop, said Sonal. Then what Sonal said, she suggested that instead of going market and wasting our time, it's better we will go home. You can take rest at home, and before taking rest you can place order of groceries on my mobile, and everything will be delivered at home. When you will get up after taking rest, everything will be delivered to home, so you will be able to make whatever things you want to make. It's very easy, no need to go to the market. Who suggested? This was suggested by Sonal. Yes, I have heard about shopping online on your phone and laptop. Show me how it is done. Spending hours in the market tires me out nowadays. I am not familiar with the markets of Delhi. In Jhansi, for decades I have known all the stores to go to for various purchases. They all know me so well and give me good discounts. Then Granny said that yes, it's difficult to go to the market and to stand in queues nowadays, as she was growing old. So it's spending times in market, it was difficult for her. And it's as it is a big city, Delhi city, and she don't know about the market here, about the shops here, so she was also thinking not to go. And she heard about online shopping from someone, so she said that yes, tell me, Sonal and Kunal, tell me how can we do online shopping. So instead of going market, I will do it by my mobile. So scholars, rest part of the lesson we will do in next video. You have to read your lesson thoroughly and you have to see this video. If you have any doubts, you can see this video and you can sort out your doubts. Okay, till that time, take care. Bye bye.